What's up, guys? Brian here in Northern Virginia. Today we're talking about this plant. This tree and plant here, it's called the Paw Paw tree. It's a very important tree. It makes up a huge part of the understory here in Northern Virginia, especially along the river and big creeks. It likes the shade, actually. You can see we are at the understory. There's a big forest right above us here, but this plant thrives in the shade. It likes a little bit of sun, but it likes the shade. It's a very important plant. It's a host plant to the zebra swallowtail butterfly. And what that means is that the caterpillars, the larvae of the butterfly, actually eat the leaves of this tree. And they ate a lot of them, but there's so many of these trees around in all sorts of these Northern Virginia parks that it doesn't make a huge impact on them. So that's a good thing. So one of the best things about this plant is this. This is the Paw Paw fruit. It grows on this tree that's indigenous here to Northern Virginia, and it's very edible to humans and other animals. The bears, coyotes, foxes, raccoons, opossums, skunks, and squirrels eat this fruit. I already took a bite of it, but I'm going to take another one because I enjoy eating the Paw Paw fruit. Some people say it tastes something like a mix between a banana and a pear, or a banana and a potato. I think it tastes kind of like a pear that's really sweet. If you get them when they're just a little bit overripe, they have a bit of sweetness to them, and they're really good. One thing about the Paw Paw fruit when you collect it is that you can't legally do so in most Northern Virginia parks, and that's because most parks have rules about collections and foraging, it's called. So if you're on a private property like this is, and you get landowner permission, you can actually go on their property and take some of the fruits. And the person that lives here really enjoys them too, so I'm out picking a few while we're doing some other filming things. And we'll meet up with the landowner here about another hour and give him some Paw Paw fruit because it is very tasty.